Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it's day 12 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and this is the sketch. I'll pop it up on the screen. It's by Karen Darloff. Hopefully I have pronounced your name correctly, Karen. It's a really cool sketch. It looks like you could use 3 different photos or like a long what am I trying to say? No, a landscape photo, cut it in half and put it either side of the middle photo. There's look like mixed media on there. There's a long title, a subtitle, and journaling. I'm going to have one photo. It's a large photo. It's 5 1/4 by 7 inches. So it's a large photo, and I'm not going to have 2 other photos. I am replacing the 2 either side with journaling on one side and an embellishment cluster on the other. So anyway, this is what I'm using. I can't share the photo. It is of my son in his last year of primary school, so I'm not sharing his photo. I mean, he's 25 now, and he was, what, 12, 13 or something when that photo was taken, but still, I don't want to share his photo. So what I'm using is Main Street Collection from Uniquely Creative. Now, I believe this came out in 2022, so it's no longer available. Uniquely Creative only have very short runs on their products, and they don't bring them out again or reprint them again normally. So when they come out, if you like it, you've got to grab it because you won't probably be able to get it again. Anyway, so that's what I'm using. I think I know what I'm doing. I'm just going to get on with it. I'll speed you up and I'll come back at the end. Okay, there is my completed layout, and I think it's not too bad a representation of the sketch. I have the 3 elements across the page, my photos going there. This right hand element is my journaling, and the left hand is my embellishment cluster. So I kept it nice and simple because it is a boy page, and I think that's enough. I don't want any more on there. It'd be overkill, I think, if I added any more. So that is it from me. If you've liked this layout, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell. So, and yeah, so you know when my next video comes out. I'm sorry, I've just realised that I wanted to tell you a few things about this layout. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this cluster down here. The words on the banner cluster, that was already pre-done, printed on the cardstock. I just fussy cut it out. I didn't like the words on it, so I put this banner over the top. There was a red love heart next to the For You. So I put a blue puffy sticker star over the top of that. Over here, this had the number 5 on it. Well, he was in year 6, so 5 didn't work. And there was no pre-printed cluster like this. Like there's a sheet of pre-made embellishments. Let me just show it to you so you'll understand what I'm talking about. Hang on. Yeah, no, I totally forgot I wanted to tell you these things at the end. So anyway, we're just doing it back to front. Here we go. Alright, so this sheet... Oh my gosh, how much mess can I get into? Alright, so this sheet has pre-printed embellishment clusters on it. Now, all the ones with numbers none of them had a 6. There's a 4. The one I used was a 5, and this one was 3. So they had the numbers down here, but these numbers are smaller than what these numbers are. So I had to, 3 looks like it might be the same size. The 5 was definitely bigger than the 6 down here. So I had to fussy cut out the 6 and put it on the top. But I needed something else under the 6 to cover up the 5 that was there. So I just cut out this circle and then put the 6 on top. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And I added paper clips because it's a school page, so it's a school photo. Anyway, that's it. Let's go through the final thing again. If you've liked this video, this layout, please give me a thumbs up. And you know what to do. Subscribe and all the things. Check out the playlist below for everyone else who is playing along in their 30 days of sketches. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.